Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Welcome. There was a comment from one of our viewers and friends on the jump rope running in place. It is also called the alternating feet jump rope. So that's what we'll talk about today. All of us are comfortable doing the alternating feet, which goes like this. Let me take off my slippers. All of us are comfortable in doing the alternating feet, which goes like this. Right? Everybody can do it. Everybody can do it. And all of us are comfortable doing the basic jump also. But when we add the jump rope into the equation, many of us find it difficult to get this move, which is jump rope running in place or jump rope alternating feet, which goes like this. There are many videos with beginner tips or tutorials on this jump rope running in place move. All the videos are top class. I have seen most of them, and when I was learning, I found them very useful also. In this video, we'll talk about the method which I found useful, and I feel it is the most simplest method to get this jump rope running in place. To start with, I would assume that all of us are comfortable with basic bounce, which goes like this. Few things which you need to keep in mind are the jumps are very low, jumps are very soft, and the point which is making contact with the ground is the front portion of our feet. Some people call it the ball of the feet or the midsole, right? There's a slight bend in the knee. If you keep your leg straight, there are chances of leg injury. If you're slamming the full feet on the ground, making heel contact, there are chances of injury. We may get a back injury, knee injury, ankle injury, lot of things are there. Relaxed body posture. Arms are, there are people who say arms to be very close to the body, but I'm more comfortable with maybe this much of a distance from my body. Whatever is comfortable to you, please follow it. All of our bodies are different, so some postures may be comfortable for some positions may not be comfortable for everyone. So basic bounces, relaxed jumps, soft jumps. Right? Now, if we have to progress to jump rope running in place, as you see, we are alternating our feet. 1, 2, 1, 2. So we should be comfortable jumping with 1 foot at a time. So let us do basic bounce with 1 foot, or let us call it a one-legged hop. Start with basic bounce, go into 1 foot. This will need a little bit of extra strength on each foot. With practice, you will get it. We did it on the left. Now let us practice it on the right. Many of us may find that doing it on one particular foot is better than the other. What is the plural? Foot or feet? I don't know, whatever it is. Some people, many of us find it easier to do it on one leg than the other. Like our body is, although outwardly may look symmetrical, the strength is not same on both sides. For example, I'm more comfortable doing it with my left leg than the right leg. So in case you're also having the same problem, just practice till both your legs feel the same. Now what we have to do is, we have to transition from one leg to other while we are doing the one-legged hops. Let us do 5 hops on the left side, then transition to 5 hops on the right side. Basic bounce, left, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So once you have done that, the objective is to keep reducing the count. From 5, 5, we'll move to 4, 4, 2, 2. Finally, we'll come to 1 and 1, which is basically running in place or alternate feet. So we'll start with basic bounce, go to 5 on each side, do it a few times, transition to 4 on each side, do it a few times, move to 3, 2 and 1. Let us see how it goes. Basic bounce, left, 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 right, 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 left, 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 left. 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. Now let us move to 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. When we are ready, we'll go to 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. When we are ready, we'll shift to 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1. So you saw, we just did or got the alternating feet or running in place. I won't say it's a simple step or a difficult step. It is a new step for the people who are learning it new. And like any step with practice, there's nobody who won't get it. Everybody will get it. So that's how we do it. Strengthen each of your legs. Start with 5 jumps on left leg, 5 jumps on right leg. Get comfortable with it. Keep reducing the count, 2, 2, and then you'll come to 1 and 1, which is running in place. It's an important step for all of us to learn, because you'll notice, compared to a basic bounce, you can spin faster, jump faster with alternating feet. So when we jump faster or spin faster, what happens? Our heart rate is more. What happens when our heart rate is more? We burn more calories. So if our objective is to burn calories, burn fat, lose weight, jump rope is a fantastic tool, and adding a bit of variety in addition to basic jumps like alternating feet would be a very good addition. I hope you liked the video. I hope you found it useful in case you're looking for learning this jump rope move. Do leave your comments in the comment section. All comments are welcome. And of course, yes, as usual, enjoy your jumps. Take care. Be safe until I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.